Hi, my name is Alan Bywaters and I'm working with Yayasan Regenerasi Bali to clean up the mountains of trash out here in Bali, Indonesia. The problem we've got out here in Bali is that there's tons of trash everywhere, predominantly because the waste coming out of businesses, because it's a massive tourist area, so there's lots of businesses that have been attracted to the island. We're finding the trash is just leaving the place. There's no infrastructure to be able to deal with this trash, so it's just being illegally dumped or thrown at the dump site. And this is causing a big problem. We're not just talking about plastic, that's a pretty obvious problem we can see happening around the world. But we're talking about genetic stuff. Really dirty, dangerous microorganisms that when it reaches a critical point and there's far too many Pampers for kids, sanitary pads for ladies, cigarette butts, when there's far too much of this stuff around the island, diseases start breaking out and people end up in the hospital and it becomes a very serious issue. Now, that's predominantly because of this technology. Before, when people were throwing stuff, it's all natural, organic stuff, naturally decomposed and went back into the land. Mother Nature could deal with it. Man-made technologies, they can't just naturally disintegrate, so they have to be processed. There isn't the system, and what we're doing is to work on the first microprocessing facility to create the system so the waste can be cleaned up. So what we need is the money to develop the first all-waste microprocessing eco-building with technology inside. Already we've managed to do a fundraiser. We bought the first all-waste we've bought the first incinerator, which is a state-of-the-art incinerator which has the lowest emissions for its size and its class around the world. That's just arrived. Now we need land, we need building, we need the other technologies to actually start processing this waste inside this building. The value we need for that is $150,000, and that's where we need your help. Now with your help, we're going to throw in some pretty cool perks. Perks that are really cool in the sense that they're latest cutting edge technology from coming from NASA, coming from leading edge businesses, research areas, universities around the world. These technologies we're offering are as perks to you depending on how much you can support us. Now, of course, these perks are costing us money as well. So we've aimed that about 50% of what we're raising will go towards the perks that will go back to you. And this will give you the ability not just to show off a really cool perk to your friends, and I'm telling you, in the field of energy, of clean water and money security, and you'll see what they're all about on our website. You're going to love these products. But what it is going to do for you is going to give you the ability to be that little bit more responsible, that little bit more eco-friendly, and you can do your bit to keep the planet clean and green.